Get his socks! Where are the other babies? Where are the other babies? Huh? Look, I'm gonna throw this big football.
The football's bigger than them.
I know. Get his socks! Get his socks!
Are you recording it?
Yeah.
Look at him.
I know.
My football. Huh? Yeah, but the guy that he found them. All three of them. So he's trying to find a home for them probably. He's got 3 dogs of his own, and he found them. I think he was telling us that that behind him is like a field, and it was a mama dog that had the puppies. Probably she ran off or something because he only found them.